If your vanity's in good shape, replacing just the countertop is a fast, budget-friendly upgrade. The best countertop material depends on your needs and lifestyle. There are several popular vanity top materials with unique benefits. Marble comes in cultured, engineered, and natural options. Cultured and engineered marble are durable, low maintenance, and budget-friendly, while natural marble offers stunning veining and elegance. Solid surface vanity tops are an affordable, low-maintenance option and resist stains. They're designed to mimic the appearance of either wood, stone, quartz, granite, or marble. Granite bathroom countertops are great since they are durable and stain and bacteria resistant. They are also easy to care for and add a timeless look to any bathroom. Quartz vanity tops are low maintenance, non-porous, and extremely durable. It resists heat, stains, and scratches better than many natural stones. A new vanity top can elevate your bathroom's look and everyday routine. Pick what fits your lifestyle and count on Lowe's to help with installation.